Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Student. Today I am going to discuss about environmental studies question papers on CTET examination which was going on July 2019. This series have contained 30 questions. Let's go to these questions. Question number 1 is the most effective strategy to engage learners in EVS is. Correct answer is 3. Narratives. Next question is which one of the following is not true? EVS. Correct answer is 2. EVS emphasizes descriptions and definitions. Next question is which one of the following is very important in constructing knowledge in EVS? Correct answer is 3. A, C, D. A, C and D. B is not correct. Next question is children should be encouraged to tap sources other than textbooks and teachers in EVS. Why? Correct answer is 4. A, B and C. A, B and C. Next question is a teacher always begins by conducting activities followed by questions and discussions. The objective of conducting activities, questions and discussion is to. Correct answer is 2. A, B and C. A, B and C. Next question is in EVS, teachers should provide opportunities to the children to assess themselves. Self-assessment is. Correct answer is 4. Assessment as learning. Next question is a teacher conducts an experiment on how those food get spoiled. Correct answer is 3. A and B only. A and B only. Next question is which of the following should not be the indicator for assessment in EVS? Correct answer is 1. Remembering. Next question is picture reading is an important activity in EVS. Which of the following indicators of learners can be assessed through picture reading? Correct answer is 4. A, B and C. A, B and C. Next question is which technique is used in the rating scale? Correct answer is 4. Observation. Next question, which of the following is not the objectives of teaching EVS? Correct answer is 2. To encourage children to provide textbook definitions. Next question 72. In a hilly area, it was observed that the people have built their houses using stones, mud, lime and wood. These houses have 2 floors. On the ground floor, they provide space for animals to live and also store necessary things. On the first floor, they stay. The roofs of the house are flat and made of thick tree trunks. This hilly area is a part of. Correct answer is 2. Correct answer is 2. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Consider the following statements about the practices followed under zoom farming. Correct answer is 3. Only A. Only A. Next question. Earthworms are considered friends of the farmers. Select from the following the correct reasons for the same. Correct answer is 1. C, D, A. C, D, A. B is not correct. Next question. Boil Topico with any curry made using coconut is a preferred food of the people of? Correct answer is 3. Kerala. Next question. It is believed that the animals that are awake at night can see objects only in? Correct answer is 2. Black and white. Next question. Which one of the following groups of states has a coast on Arabian Sea? Next question is 3. Karnataka, Kerala, Gujarat. Next question. Where is Jharkhand located on the map of our country? Correct answer is 1. North of Orissa. Next question. Which of the following is not obtained from petroleum? Correct answer is 2. Coal. Next question. Select from the following a set of festivals celebrated on the full moon day. Correct answer is 1. Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Guru Nanak's birthday. Next question. In one of the forests of a country, the village council allots the land to the forest people for farming in a special unit called tin. What is tin? Correct answer is 4. A land on which a farmer grows 1 tin of seeds. Next question. You are located at X and your school is located at Y. There is no straight path from your house to school. So you first go to A, which is 30 meter due north of X, then go to B, which is 40 meter due west of A, then go to C, which is 30 meter due north of B, and finally you reach your school at Y, which is 40 meter due west of C. With respect to your school, the correct direction of your house is? Correct answer is 2. Southeast. Next question. A boy boarded a train on 30 June 2019 at Madgaon for Nagarkoil. The train departed at 9:45 hours from Madgaon and reached Nagarkoil at 7:15 hours on the next day. If the distance covered by the train during this time interval is 1140 km, the average speed of the train was? Correct answer is 450 km/h. Next question. Previous concepts and issues have not been compartmentalized into science and social science. Why? Correct answer is 4. The child looks at his environment in holistic manner. Next question. Which one of the following cities the mountains of sand called sand dunes are found? Correct answer is 4. Abu Dhabi. Next question. We all observe old wells which have dried up. Our elders say that about 25 to 30 years ago there was sufficient water in the wells, but now these have completely dried up. Select from the following the possible correct reasons for drying up of water in the wells. Correct answer is 2. A, B and D. A, B and D. Next question. Which one of the following is not one of the 6 board themes of EVS in the present syllabus? Correct answer is 2. Walk and play. Next question. Which of the following is true EVS subjects for class 1 and 2? Correct answer is 4. Issues and concerns related to EVS are transacted through language and mathematics. Next question. In EVS themes have been proposed instead of topics in the syllabus. Why? Correct answer is 1. For developing connected and interrelated understanding of issues of the learner's local environment. That's all question and answers for today's series. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.